The 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, tow hitch, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, power door locks, fog lamps, MP3 player, power windows, passenger airbag, child safety locks. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.